How to fix your applications, games, and programs not opening on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. There could be various reasons for the apps, games, and programs not opening on your Windows 11, the first being the Windows update. Sometimes the Windows update could create an error and bug into your apps, games, and programs. So, in order to solve it, there are two such solutions. To get started with, you can either click on the search bar or press in Windows plus R to open the Run tab. After that, type in services.msc. After that is done, tap on OK button and it will open a new tab asking for your permission. Tap on Yes and it will open the services page. From the services page, you have to scroll down until you find the Windows Update section. So the first thing we can do is right click on Windows Update and then go to its properties. Now select the startup type as manual and then tap on Apply and then on OK. Once that is done, make sure to stop the Windows Update. How can it be done? For that, you just have to right click on the Windows Update again and there you have the option of stop or end. So make sure that you click on the stop button. It will take just few seconds to turn off this. After that, you can close the services tab and then restart your computer. But before that, let's make the quick changes to the next step as well. So for that, you just have to open your Windows Explorer or File Explorer and then go to this PC. After that, you have to go to Windows and under that, you have to go on the folder called as Windows again. Next up, search for software distribution and then you will see the two folders there, which is download and data source. So now you have to select both of them and then click on Shift plus Delete to delete it permanently. After that, you can restart your computer and check if the issue has been fixed or not. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.